Cow my favorite animal. Cow domestic animal. Cow has four legs, two eyes, two ears, two horns. Cow eats green grass, vegetables, etc. Cow has long tail. Cows are not attacks to any human or animal. Cow is known as a calf. Cow milk is very beneficiary for children. Cow is vegetarian animal.